In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size and font style quickly in Microsoft Outlook. If you ever feel like your emails look a bit too plain, or the text is just too small or too large, adjusting the font settings can make a big difference. I'll walk you through how to do this in a simple, practical way so you can format your messages exactly how you like, without digging through a bunch of confusing menus. First, open Microsoft Outlook and start a new email message. You can do this by clicking the option to create a new email from the main Outlook window. Once the new message window is open, click into the body of the email where you would normally start typing. This is important because Outlook only shows certain formatting tools when your cursor is in the message area. Now, look along the top ribbon of the new message window. You should see a tab labeled Message and another labeled Format Text. Make sure you're on the Message tab. In the Message tab, find the section called Basic Text. This section contains the main formatting options, including the tools you'll use to change font style and font size. Inside the Basic Text area, you'll see a drop-down showing the current font name, like Calibri or Arial, and next to it, a number that represents the font size. To quickly change the font style, click the Font Name drop-down. A list of available fonts will appear. Scroll through and choose the font that best fits the tone of your email. For example, you might pick something clean and professional for work messages. As soon as you click a font, any text you type from that point forward will use that style. Next, to adjust the font size, click the number drop-down beside the font name. You'll see a list of sizes. Smaller numbers give you smaller text, and larger numbers give you bigger text. Select a size that's comfortable to read. If you already have text typed out, you can highlight it first, then change the font and size, and Outlook will update that selected text immediately. You can also use the bold, italic, and underline buttons in the same basic text area to further style your text. These options are helpful if you want to emphasize headings or important details without changing the entire font. Once you're happy with how everything looks, you can continue writing and send your email as normal. By using these quick tools in the Message tab, you can consistently create emails that are clear, readable, and visually polished.